Guys, Carrie Medford here from carriemedford.com. Just taking a little walk in the rain today with my buddy.
Hello.
Yeah, when we left the house it wasn't raining, but you know it's Florida, so no matter what you do, as soon as you get in the car it starts raining. But it's kind of interesting where we live because we could be out on that road. I don't know if you can see it. There's a highway back there. And then you just come in one block and you got this cute little walkway in an ecological park. It was really pretty. And so basically that's what we're doing today because we needed to get out of the house. And even though it's raining and thundering, we're going to take a few minutes just to check things out before hopping back in the car and running to the store. We don't mind getting wet.
Nope.
But yeah, check it out. This is where I live. Pretty cool, huh? People back home from Pennsylvania, they really do have pretty everything up there. This is pretty too, it's just a little bit different. Alright, we're gonna finish our walk. I think it pretty much ends right up there. But then we're gonna go to the store. Say bye.
Bye.
Have a good one.